Hello guys, welcome to Budget Trend. My name is Timmy Samuel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify your Gigbanc account, how to request a USD virtual account, and how to request a USD virtual card. So if you are just joining us for the first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel because on this channel we used to talk about anything finance, anything smart finance, business related, news, and economy. So if any of this topic is your thing, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified anytime we drop a new video about finance, business, entrepreneur, and related topic. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to today's video. So as you are seeing on your screen right now, my Gigbanc account is 100% verified. My personal information has been completed, bank verification, identification verification, and address verification all has been completed. So once you complete all this step, then you can go to create a virtual USD account as you are seeing on your screen, and after that you can also create a virtual USD card. So before we talk about creating a virtual USD account and creating a virtual USD card, let's talk about what you would need to verify your Gigbanc account. So as for your personal information, you will need to provide your full name as it appears on your national ID card, your NIN, or on your voter's card, or if you want to use international passport. Now the second one is you will have to provide your bank verification statement, which is your account statement. So the account statement will be used to verify this bank verification, and it will also be used to verify the address verification. Now the bank statement you will be submitting will be the bank you will also submit on this Gigbanc account, because this account will require you to submit your bank details such as your account number and your account name. So the account number and the account name you will be submitting on this Gigbanc will also tally with the bank statement you will submit to verify your address verification. Now in regard to this identity verification, you will need to submit your NIN. If you have voter's card or international passport or driver's license, it works as well. So any of the identity card can be used on Gigbanc. So once you submitted all those information, all those documents, you will need to submit them in a clear picture. So once you submit them and everything is approved as you are seeing right here, then you will be allowed to create a virtual USD account. So if you just click on this now, it will tell you to confirm your name as you are seeing right here. So once you confirm the name are accurate, the name are correct, then you will click on accept and continue. So once you click on accept and continue, so you have to read this to understand how it works. So the first one says the standard fee for receiving payment via ACH is 0.8%, but you will only need to pay 0.4% flat rate for your first three transactions. Do you understand? So for the first three transactions, you will only have to pay 0.4% of the transaction. So after the first three transactions, the next payment that will comes in will charge 0.8%. Are you getting the point? So the minimum amount you can fund this virtual USD account is $1. Anything below $1 will not be credited into the account. So you can fund minimum of $1. Do you get now? So you have to read all these things and understand it well. So once you read and understand it, then you click on continue. So this is where you will upload your employment status. You will upload all your employment details. If you are self-employed, click on self-employed. If you are freelancer, click on freelancer. If you are, all the stuff like that. So let's choose freelancer. Enter your job title and all of that. So fill out this link and click on request USD. So this proof of address, you can upload maybe your working space or anything, or maybe your salary account. If you are on salary account, you can upload the bank statement as proof of address. As you can see here, if you are a freelancer, it says please provide a screenshot of your freelancer platform profile or an employment contract. So if you are a freelancer, you can you will just need to screenshot the profile of your, like if you have Upwork account, just screenshot the profile, your Upwork profile. If you have Fiverr account, just screenshot the Fiverr account. Are you getting the point? If you are a YouTuber, like you are a YouTube, just screenshot your YouTube profile and paste it there. If any platform you are working with, just screenshot the profile and put it in this proof of employment. Do you get the point? So here, just click on anyone you want to choose and continue. So on that, just click on request virtual USD. So it will take from 1 business days to 3 business days for them on a business day, from 1 to 3 business days to review your request. And once everything is intact, you'll be given a USD virtual account for free, unlike platform like cheaper cash that charge $5 to create a virtual USD. This Gigbank doesn't charge any amount to create a virtual USD. It is free of charge. So that is it about virtual USD account. So let's move to creating a virtual card. So I don't want to create a virtual USD account on Gigbank, and I don't want to create a virtual card on Gigbank because I already have a virtual USD account on cheaper cash and a virtual USD card on cheaper cash as well. I also have a virtual USD account on GPay app, and I also have a virtual USD card on the GPay app. So there's no need for me to create another virtual account here and another virtual card here, because those ones are really working for me. I use them on platform like Namecheap, on Spotify, YouTube Premium, to subscribe to all those things. So this one also work on those platforms as well. So to create a Gigbank virtual card, you must have verified all your profile. You must have verified all the requirements, your KYC on the Gigbank account. So once that is done, just come to virtual card and create a virtual card. So you can select the type of virtual card you want to create. Maybe it is Naira, or it is dollar, or it is euro, or it is pounds. So here we will choose USD. So the virtual USD will cost you $1. Transaction fee per transaction will cost you $1 as well. So anytime you want to use the card, it will charge you $1. No monthly maintenance fees and no funding or unloading fee. Are you getting the point? But every time you want to use the card, make sure you have additional $1 for them to charge. Unlike Gigbank will charge you for 0.5 USD for every funding of the card, and they will charge you 0.5 USD for every transaction you make on the card. But on Gigbank will only charge you $1 per transaction. That is, every time you use the card for transaction, you will be charged 1 USD, but they did not charge funding fee, which is, by the way, it is the same thing, because GigPay will only charge you 0.5 USD for funding, for every funding, and they will also charge you 0.5 USD for every transaction. So all these platforms are almost nearly the same thing. They nearly charge the same thing for their fee. So once you understand this thing, just click on it and enter the amount you want to fund in the card. Let's say $50 and minimum of $1. So click on continue to fund your card. So the card funding of the card will be deducted from USD. So you will have to fund your Gigbank account through Naira, through dedicated Naira account. So you can click on receive from bank, and you will be given an account number as you are seeing on your screen. So you can copy this account number and paste it and transfer money. So when you transfer money to the Gigbank account, the money will appear here. Then you can click on convert, then convert it to USD. So once you convert it to USD, now the money will be in USD. Then you can go to card to fund the card through the money converted into USD. So are you getting the point? So you can also convert the money into USD and send it to your virtual USD account to save it there. Are you getting the point now? So the virtual USD account can be used to receive money from freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, Google AdSense, Medium, Ezoic. Name any platform you want to receive money from, but it cannot be used to receive money from individual account from the US. Like maybe you are sending money from US, all these Yahoo boys, like maybe they want to collect money from their MAGA and all those stuff. Now it cannot be used to receive such money. If you use it to receive such money, the money will be banned, your account will be banned. So this virtual account is solely for receiving money from freelancing platforms, from the people you work from your business partners. So that is what this bank account can be used for. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, as I also enjoy creating the video for you. So appreciate this video by subscribing to this channel, share it with your friends and family, like this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. Once again, my name is Steven Samuel and thanks for watching.